Alright, so we're here in Windsor Locks investigating an alleged train car on its side. It's could be right up here. Really hard to see. Yep, there's a train car on its side. It is really hard to see. It's the last Friday in January, and I'm escaping the grind for some railroading action in the Mohawk Valley and Central Mass. We're heading to Springfield this weekend, and the winter weather has already started, and I have a feeling we'll be seeing a lot more of it before the weekend's done. We're here at Blue Barns Road, and there's the Blue Barn. It sounds like we might have a train in Mohawk Yard, so that's where we're heading, then onward to the CSX, and we'll see what we get. So 30T has a light on there over to the right. I believe the train on the left is an 11R tied down because Pan Am has now been bringing 11R to Mohawk Yard where NS gets on. So it looks like 30T is crewing up. So actually, I think we might want to head down to Maxon Road. Well, we gave up on the 30T, but there's an Amtrak Empire service train at Schenectady. Too bad the station's closed to rail fans now. We're heading through Schenectady at probably the worst time of day. We're trying to get to the CSX, maybe get a couple trains there. Otherwise, today hasn't gone too great after waiting an hour for a 30T, who now has permission to leave, but is having engine problems. We're here at Burdick Street. Looks like we got a local job. That was a nice surprise, and it looks like we have an approach here on the far track. Once the train clears, you'll see it looks like we have an approach. I'm not sure what train it could be though. high green. I still don't know what train it's for. Here we got Q205. Second westbound. So it looks like we just missed a Q436. Yeah, we just missed a Q436. We're gonna go look for an IO19 though. Rail fanning in Westfield. Probably not going to beat the 19 if they're sitting here in Westfield, but there goes the DPU. Sounds like only one of them's online. Oh, log cars, nice. Rail box. Reefer, going to Pan Am. Tank cars, trash cars. Empty trash cars going to the Boston area. Another reefer. Southern Pacific boxcar. More trash. And there's the end. Now we gotta try to catch up to this 19. That was a close one here at Westfield. And I hear another train. I'm guessing that's a Q436. But we got to get to the train show pretty soon. Wait a minute. I'm confused. Is there another westbound? I don't know what's going on here. All right, we got another one coming. This must be the West Springfield to Selkirk turn job. These trash cars are nice and quiet compared to the rest of the train. DPU coming up. More loaded trash cars. And even more loaded trash cars. That was 2 trains in like 10 minutes. Plus that I can never remember the symbols. 436 we caught the tail end of. I wish we could have caught that, but that horn show. If you were watching, Mr. Engineer, I salute you for being a positive influence, not only rail fans, but your fellow crew members. Anyway, time to head to the train show. We are here on location in West Springfield. Light is fading, but Q264 is right around the corner. 424 is like really delayed. I don't know what's up. They must be working Pittsfield. I do not know what's going on here. It's like the West Springfield Foamers Association or something. There's all kinds of people down there in cars and flashes. But we got our train coming. I am frozen. Absolutely frozen. 264. Again, I don't know what's going on. There's like 5 cars here with rail fans. They were flashing. They I don't know, but it must be the Foamer Club here, I'm telling you. I don't know if they thought today's 264 was supposed to have 3194 on it. I'm pretty sure that's tomorrow's. We'll have to see if that rumor is true, though, because if it is, I'll certainly be getting that train. Good morning from Windsor Locks, Connecticut, where the first sight we see is that derailed train car. It's right behind that Metro North car. That's just crazy. If anyone knows the story on this, please let me know. You know what? I think that said National Guard back there. I wonder if this is like a training setup. Because I see a staircase out of the other car, and I see a tank car there. So yeah, I'm actually leaning towards it's like a training situation in case a train was derailed. But if anyone knows the actual official gist of it, let me know. But anyways, onwards to Springfield. Crossing the river as the sun rises into Springfield. Railroad bridge is over to my left. We're heading to Union Station. Here's a little virtual rail fan warning. This is actually the first virtual rail fan camp I've been to. Actually, that's not true. I was in Strasbourg and Paradise, but this is the first like mainline virtual rail fan camp I've been to. Regional Richmond, leaving now. Maybe that's a false alarm. Maybe they aren't leaving. I'm not exactly sure. Long last, they're pulling out. That's a long Amtrak. Now the Greenfield Flyer can get permission out and through the interlocking. tow. They got to cross all the way over because I believe they're going north to Greenfield. We're here at the West Springfield Foam Fest pre-show rail fanning. And I have no clue what train leaving. It's intermodal. There's no scheduled intermodal train. Route 22, Syracuse to Worcester, intermodal, priority. We're crossing the Hudson, and there's the railroad bridge. We're gonna try to catch 3194 on Q626. No guarantees because they are delayed and light is fading, but we'll see what we get. I haven't actually ever been over this bridge, but there's the railroad bridge. I kind of want to shoot a train on it someday. I just don't know where to stand to get it. We have made it. We have beat 3194 on Q626. After missing this about 3 times this weekend, I am very happy, despite the darkness, of finally catching this train. What a way to end our weekend trip to Springfield, Massachusetts. That was awesome. That's one on my lifer list right there. Time to hit the road. It's dark and I still got a 2-hour drive ahead of me. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more great adventures coming soon.